Welcome to 6136 Chickering Court, and we're located in one of the most sought after areas in all of Tennessee, Forest Hills. And what makes this home so special and so unique is not only are you surrounded by complete privacy, you have trees on 3 sides of the home, but you're also on a 2.5 acre lot, fully sodded and irrigated, custom landscaping package. Before we get inside, I want to walk you up here to show you this beautiful terrace. So here you have these elegant peacock pavers that are paired with this gorgeous stone exterior, these fully functional French doors that line your hallway, which we're gonna go see once we enter the home. This home was built by Craftsman Residential. I'm Sam Coleman with the Coleman Johns Group, and I'm super excited to give you a tour of 6136 Chickering Court. All right, so welcome inside, guys. I wanted to start the tour off right here in the foyer because there's so many details throughout this entire home, and I don't want you to miss anything. And we're gonna start right here at this front door. So you have this custom wood door. I want you to notice the details here because they translate throughout the entire home. Also on the first level, you have these glass doorknobs all the way throughout. And another thing I wanted to point out in this foyer is the millwork here, the crown molding. It's all in the details. Right off of the foyer, you have this beautiful dining room. This is your formal dining. You have wallpaper, layered crown molding, and then you have these oversized windows that let in tons of natural light. So welcome into your kitchen and the focal point of this entire kitchen. By the way, it is massive. The space is airy, it's bright, it opens up to your great room, your informal dining here. But you have this massive 10-foot long island that just captivates the entire space. You also have storage underneath here, so plenty of storage in your kitchen and your pantry, your scullery that we're gonna talk about. You have this 60-inch wolf range, and these are the details that I mentioned earlier in the video, and I want you to keep an eye out for that right here. But tons of space throughout your entire kitchen. You have these gorgeous lighting fixtures here, sub-zero column, and then what I love is that it opens up right into your breakfast nook. And then again, oversized windows, and I also love that the beams run from the kitchen all the way over to the breakfast nook. So now let's go over here. I want to show you what Craftsman is known for. It's the sculleries, the second kitchen, the working pantry. This is where it's at. You can keep everything in here. You can prep in here, keep your kitchen clean. You have 2 sub-zero columns here, a fridge and a freezer, microwave. You have a full dishwasher in here, deep sink, and it actually overlooks your second outdoor living space with your friend's entry. But it's just so much space in here for storage, for prepping. When you're hosting big dinners, everybody can do all the cooking back here, and you can do all the entertaining out there. So welcome to the great room. And one thing that I wanted to point out is that you do have 12-foot ceilings throughout the entire first level. In the great room, you have elevated 2-story ceilings here. Again, oversized windows, tons of natural light. And then you have this 2-story stucco fireplace accent wall. And then these are the details that I pointed out earlier. In the kitchen, in the door, you have the curves, you have all the angles that just kind of mimic each other throughout this entire house. You have this isokern wood burning fireplace, but one of my favorite features, you have this wet bar that opens up to your outdoor area and also connects to your media room right here. So a couple things that I want to point out to you in this room is that you have this textured wallpaper, you have this wine fridge here, and another detail that Craftsman loves to put in their homes is this hidden outlet. So it makes this entire space feel clean, and you can just push it down, it's all hidden away. You have ice maker here, you have another fridge, and then I also love that you have these sliding pocketing doors that open up to your outdoor living space. Now, also connected to this bar is your family/media room that opens up to your outdoor space. And this entire area is all pre-wired for surround sound, custom lighting packages that you want to add. but it just opens up so you get true indoor, outdoor living. And again, from the front terrace here, you have your peacock pavers all the way through. I think you have over 1,700 square feet of peacock pavers throughout this entire house. I love how they brought the stone from the exterior. And for all you fancy people, here are those metal balls that you can add to the fireplace, isocurrent fireplace in your great room. So a lot of space to entertain, to enjoy, to have fun. But just take a look at this. I want to show you like the sliding doors that open up so you can have servers here serving drinks while you're entertaining your guests, and plenty of space to entertain, even plenty of space for a pool. All right, so welcome to your primary wing of the house. It's right off the great room, and something that we talked about earlier in the video was the French doors, fully functional, that open up to your terrace. Again, peacock pavers out there. Now, right down from the French doors, your terrace, and your primary suite is your dedicated home office. Now, what's so great about this home is that you have 5 full bedrooms and a dedicated office. Again, oversized windows, tons of natural light, and another cool feature is that you have these really, really cool glass pocket doors that have soft close. Doesn't get any better than that right there. If you notice the detail in the arches is that you have this dedicated art spot right here. So it's for your most coveted piece of art. This is probably one of my most favorite spots in the entire house. It's this window wrapped sitting area that you have right in your primary suite. They even planted trees for privacy. You can plant more trees, or you can do automatic shades. But I want you to notice again the detail that's translated throughout the entire house. You have beautiful millwork in your primary suite, and it leads you right into your primary bathroom. Inside your primary bathroom, you have heated tile floors, and it's all controlled from a switch right here that's also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it from your phone. You have this beautiful zero entry shower, 2 oversized vanities with a dedicated makeup space, and right off the primary bathroom, you have this gigantic closet, so tons of storage. You have this beautiful island with countertop, 4 levels of storage here, so you can store your watches, your jewelry, and then all your other items of clothing there. So before we go upstairs and right off your kitchen, we have a 3-car garage, which is 26 feet deep, so it's plenty of space to fit a long SUV, and it's equipped with the 50 amp dedicated circuit plug. So for any electrical car owners, you can easily charge your car within just a few hours. Now, right off of the garage, you have your friend's entry. Again, it's that wooden door that we talked about earlier in the video with your custom glass knobs. Right off your friend's entry, you have this dedicated space for lockers, individual lockers here, and you have this desk for whoever manages at home. So plenty of space to keep track of all of those bills and things for whoever manages at home. So welcome to the 2nd level. We're actually standing in your home gym, a true gym floor in here. You have mirrors on the wall, you have a wet bar with a beverage fridge, and right off the gym, you have another room. It's 500 square feet, unconditioned space that you can truly customize to whatever room you like. Right off the gym, you have your media room that you can configure to a home theater, to a rec room. Continuing off of the rec room, it takes you to the other part of the house. You have 10-foot ceilings all the way throughout on this 2nd level. You have 3 bedrooms, each with an ensuite. Every bathroom is different. That's something that Craftsman Residential really takes pride in, is making a different bathroom for every room. Massive walk-in closets in each room. And now I'm taking you across the house to the left wing of the home to what we call the junior suite. And in the junior suite, another bedroom, another bathroom, oversized bathroom, and you also have laundry on the 2nd level, so big enough to accommodate a big family. And what I love is that you also have these desks here, so it can be a creative studio or just another study for the kids. So this house is just under 8,400 square feet. You have 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, built by Craftsman Residential in one of the most sought after areas in all of Nashville. Guys, I'm super excited to share with you 6136 Chickering Court. I'm Sam Coleman with the Coleman Johns Group, and thank you so much for watching.